Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Happy Thursday. You may see this video tonight or tomorrow morning, okay? I'm not sure yet. But I still have to change my clothes and then my dinner's already on. But today I want to talk about heat damage. This video was highly requested. People were asking me, do I know any signs of heat damage, or what do your hair look like or feel like? I could answer that because I too, maybe 7-8 years ago, I did experience that. Okay, so I got information, wanted to know what were they doing, how often, and they told me. So that's why I'm making this video. Okay, so this happened maybe a week or so ago. All right, so I'm bringing the video today, the 25th, which is our oldest grandson Michael's birthday. Happy birthday, Michael! He has a channel too. It's called Spleezy Gaming. So I'll put it down here. Okay, so you guys can go check him out sometime. Or if you have grandkids that play games and all of this, go check his videos out. Okay, he's really good. Okay, so the signs that you will know, okay, if you are experiencing any type of heat damage in your hair, brittleness. My hair was hard. Okay, my hair felt rough. It was dull. No matter how much oil or moisturizer or how much I brushed it or massaged it, it didn't have this sheen or shine. It just looked dull, like I needed washed all the time. I looked at a mess. I didn't like that. That's why I was wearing them scarves like that, So because my hair wasn't right all the time. So after that, my hair was breaking off, and it just didn't. I didn't know. And then I was at the salon. I was asking the stylist questions, but she never really said anything about how to fix it or recover it or whatever. So I was coming out and I was going down the escalator stairs. I think I told y'all this before. This was a while ago. And this woman said, what, it sounds like you need a protein treatment. I said, a protein treatment? I didn't know what it was. I said, what is that? She said, it's called hair mayonnaise from Or. She said, it's a mild protein. She said, my daughter uses that, but she said she don't use it all the time. She said she uses it when her hair gets a little dry or whatever. So when I left there, I went to the store, to the beauty supply store, and I found it and I bought it and I started using it. I want to say like maybe 3-4 months, my hair came back. Okay. It came back. So if you are experiencing this, you do a mild protein treatment for a few months on a monthly basis. Yes, I'm telling you to do proteins. Do this on a monthly basis. Once your hair come back to its glory, okay, then you can start using a nourishing, moisturizing, deep treatment protein-free mask. You don't want to keep using proteins because proteins will mess your hair up as well by making it brittle and hard. Okay, so use that mask, whether you wash your hair once a week, bi-weekly, or once a month. You're going to use that and continue to use that, okay, because till your hair becomes stronger and retaining length and stop breaking. You get what I'm saying? So you will experience split ends. You will experience dryness. You will experience rough, brittle hair. Your hair would not lay flat. This is what happened to me, okay? And your hair would just constantly keep breaking and breaking and breaking. It will keep breaking off. Okay, no matter, I don't care if you do deep conditioning your hair, but if you're still using those curling irons and flat irons, your hair was to continue to become damaged. I'm not saying heat is the culprit. It's not. It's how we use it. People have to be mindful on what they're doing to their hair and why. You get what I'm saying? So if you're not mindful of these things, you will be damaging your hair. And even if you're using products with proteins in them every week or every 2 weeks, you are damaging your hair slowly. And then a few months down the line, you think it's the relaxer, and it's not. It's what you did 4, 5, 6, 7 months ago. It's just catching up. Okay? So learn your hair. Learn not to use proteins every single month because it's not for you. Okay? So that is that. I told you the signs of it. Okay, and then I told you how to fix it. Once you your hair starts to come back after using mild protein treatments, leave the proteins alone. The only time you should use proteins in your hair if you're getting like chemical services, like a relaxer, like I have. Okay, if you get relaxers 3 times out the year, use a protein treatment 3 times out the year after that first wash, after you get your hair washed after, your relaxer. Okay, not right after your relaxer, but when you wear your hair for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, then you do your first wash, then do a protein treatment. If you're doing a silk press, you do need a protein treatment. Okay, because they are putting some type of chemical on your hair to straighten your hair out. Okay, my daughter told me that. Also, if you're coloring your hair, you need to use a protein treatment when you wash your hair. Okay, so I really hope and pray that this video will help you as far as your routines, how often you use heat. I'm not saying stop using heat. Like I said a minute ago, you don't have to stop using heat. It's just how you use it. So I was using that heat every week, a couple of times out the week. That was damaging my hair, and I didn't know it. And this is exactly what's going on with your hair. Okay, all right. So thank you guys so much. I hope and pray that you enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, I got to get my dinner. I don't mean to rush, but I have to get my dinner. And Lord's will, you guys will see me in the next video. Okay, thank you ever kindly for watching. God bless you. Mwah. Bye.